Hello guys, so we are going to learn about how to convert decimals into fractions, part 2. So you remember that part 1, we did like this. Only the 0.1 thing, we know it equals 1 over 10, and then the 0.0 point 1 equals 1 over 100. You saw that, remember? If you didn't saw that, may you go over there. So if you didn't go over there, I recommend you to go there because that will help you for the others. So I'm just taking a review of that. Now we're going to learn about what we are going to do now, which are the thousands and millions. And then we'll get to the billions and trillions, but we're not going to go on after not the billions and trillions, after millions and thousands. So so we're going to learn about this. So look, so you know this is for hundreds. Add another 0, which is going to be 1 over 1,000. Actually, you have to make it longer. And if you make it like this, 4 zeros, for 2, it will be 1 2 over 1 million, okay? You understand it, right? If you want to subscribe now. Yeah, that's what if you want to subscribe now for more math videos. So let's do a quiz. Let me just make sure you know it. So what is this? What is supposed to be under it? 1,000. What is supposed to be on top of it? Number 2. And here's something that I can see. Look. For like a symbol. Like 1,000. So you see this represented as 1,000 over 6. But I can see I can draw 1,000. You notice 3 zeros. So I can tell that's 1,000. And same, if there's 2 zeros here and there's 2 zeros there, I can tell. If there's 1 zero there, I can tell. But if it's like beyond millions, that would be 6 zeros. So only for 10, only for 10, 100, and 1,000. That is for that. That is for my easiest way for understanding it. So now let's go to the test. What a review test of all parts, part 1 and part 2. What is this in fractions? I'm going to give you some more. I'm preparing some of them. Okay, what is this? You know, like a 10. There's one 0. So it's supposed to be like this. This 0 is supposed to be like that, okay? So there's 1 0. I could tell it is 10 because there's 1 0. And once you put it over, it's 1 over 10, which is 1 in the 1/10. Okay, I'm gonna erase that. I'm gonna give you another question, and that's gonna be it. But I have to give you all, actually. What is this, in fact? I know I never told you this, but I'm gonna give you a quick test. over this. Okay, you know the one before the dot. The ones before the dots are the ones on top, and the ones behind the dot are the ones, remember, like 10, but that's not actually included, like 10, 22 over 10. I know this is bigger than that, but it's still a fraction. That is called an improper fraction. Watch Math's antics because he is so good at math. So now you understand what I showed you. So, if you liked the video, hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the share button. And bye guys, and stay watching my videos. Bye bye.